My name is Nick Perea, and I'm one of the owners here at SYNLawn Colorado. Becoming a SYNLawn distributor actually was an interesting journey for me. I'd spent over 15 years in corporate America and first got introduced to SYNLawn as a consumer. My wife and I wanted to put synthetic turf in our backyard just to create a better space for our family. And as we started to research, it was pretty clear that SYNLawn was a far leader in this space. Not only that, they had a lot of values that resonated with our family. They were US made. They had technology built into the turf that kept the turf clean and cool. And the fact that they used plant-based materials to create their finished product, those were things that just resonated with us as a consumer. As I started to go through that process, I started to see what the opportunity could be with artificial turf in Colorado and started a small landscaping business. And so after about a year of interacting with the SYNLawn Colorado team, buying turf, and representing a brand that I was really passionate about, had an opportunity to become the SYNLawn Colorado distributor, and now being able to own the process from manufacturing to sales to installation and warranty work. It's something special to be a part of.
Well, it's a family-run business, which is awesome. Get to work with my son, my brother, sister-in-law, my other brother. So we all work together. Everybody takes pride in what they do, and our business has grown quite a bit in the last 2.5 years. I'm proud of that, and we want to continue to grow.
Being bio-based is really important to me because I have children and pets, and it's really nice that we can contribute to the environment in a sustainable and ethical way.
A happy customer to me is somebody that can sit back and look at the project and truly feel that we captured their vision. It's kind of that oh wow factor, you know, when we're all said and done. You can truly see it in the customer's eyes when we hit it out of the park.
All of us are completely set on making our customers completely happy, and that means if we have to go back 2, 3, 4 times to make a customer happy, that's what we do.
I am a customer success team member, so I get to connect with our clients after their project is complete. And I find myself just celebrating with them when I hear the happiness in their voices that we've helped to make their vision a reality. They're so excited, and so I get to be excited with them.
Having someone there to support them, answer any questions, provide information, knowledge, feedback on what'll look best, I think that's where they actually get the most joy out of our company compared to others.
Our crews are awesome. We have 7 different crews. They're all hardworking crews. They take pride in their work, and we all get along.
Playability. That's the number one thing with our customers. They want a putting surface that's going to react the exact same way a real green will. We can deliver that. Being interactive with the customer is very, very helpful for me, and going back and forth, having a lot of that dialogue really does help to make sure that we do get exactly what the customer is looking for, and then when it all goes in and seeing that their vision did come to fruition, and I can see it right away. They light up, and I know that we did what we needed to do. That feels really, really good.
With over 10,000 square feet of warehouse and inventory space, one of the things that we always try to do is carry enough stock, enough inventory to be able to support day to day, as well as plan for those larger long-term projects. We've got areas where our customers can come and see our turf, put their hands on it and see the craftsmanship, but our building also allows us to service contractors that might be doing installations for their own business and representing SYNLawn, as well as an area for storage for our large commercial projects.
I think SYNLawn is the go-to company because, well, for one, our turf is the best, hands down. There's no arguing it, everybody knows it. For two, SYNLawn's been in it for a really long time. So people tend to trust the name, you know, before they go to a lot of guys that are just getting into it.
I also just love the people I work with. They're super friendly, kind, and they'll help you with anything you need. So you can just ask, phone call, and they're right there to support you.
Things are very light around here. We're always kind of playing around and joking, but still able to get our work done. It's just, it's a really refreshing place to be.
I like working at SYNLawn because I have the opportunity to work with my family, and I feel like when you work with your family, you're able to get more accomplished because you have someone that's cheering you on.
From day one, I've felt very welcomed, like family, and they've always been very supportive of every part of my life and my work. I feel very fortunate.